See the papaya plants with fruits. The farmer holds the harvest with care. But this is only the start. Here you will also learn how to plant and grow papaya step by step. The full farming story begins now. Before planting begins, the farmer prepares the soil with a traditional tool. Each strike loosens the hard earth, making way for new life to grow. With gentle hands, the farmer unwraps the papaya's seedlings. Each root must stay intact to ensure strong growth ahead. With care and devotion, the farmer plants the papaya seedling into the soft soil. Each touch carries hope for the fruit that will grow tomorrow. After planting, he gently presses the soil around the papaya seedling. Each touch seals the roots in place, protecting them from wind and time. Without timely watering, some papaya plants begin to fade. Dry soil cracks beneath them, a reminder that care must never stop. Weeks pass. The papaya plants stand taller and stronger. New leaves unfold under the sun, a sign that growth has begun. With steady hands, the farmer removes weeds around the papaya plant. He loosens the soil gently so the roots can breathe and grow freely. Soon after care and patience, tiny blossoms appear on the papaya tree. A small insect lands on the flower. Nature begins its silent work of pollination. As the papaya grows taller, the farmer prepares a hole beside the stem. A bamboo stake will stand here soon to keep the tree upright against wind and rain. After a week of care and patience, tiny papayas begins to appear. By day, they grow larger, a promise of harvest taking shape. From seed to harvest, every stage of papaya farming teaches patience to help your plant grow faster and healthier.